Wagwan lovely people, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing one of nature's most powerful superfood. So when you go out to purchase your sea moss, you will either find the sea moss with all the debris and the sea salt, or you will find the sea moss that has already been pre-washed. So either way, make sure to thoroughly wash this before soaking. So this has been soaking overnight. You can choose to soak your sea moss overnight, or you can soak it for a couple of hours. So what I'm going to do now is to drain this liquid, give it another rinse, and then add it to the blender. So the ratio for the sea moss and the water is 2:1. So make sure to blend this until you get to a gel-like consistency. So this is the perfect consistency right here. So pour this in a jar, and this can be stored in the refrigerator for a couple of weeks. And that's the sea moss gel. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, but most importantly, try this recipe, and see you next time.